Welcome back. So you've done the really hard thinking. You've got the blueprint on paper. And now, we face the machine. This is it, the crucial step where we translate our unique plan into a crystal clear set of instructions. This is where we command the AI to build our vision.
So just a quick rewind. In part 1, we laid out the whole vision for an alive UI. Remember? An app that literally grows with you, making all that invisible progress, well, visible and tangible. The whole point was to get you across that dreaded motivation valley, that place where you lose steam because you just can't see your own growth. We're building a brand here, something with a soul.
And then, in part 2, we actually put pen to paper and designed the core logic, that good kind of invisible skeleton. We defined our app's unique brain using simple nouns and verbs, and we created the entire architectural plan before even thinking about a single line of code. Okay, so let's get into it. With that blueprint in hand, we now face the machine. And you know, this is precisely where most people completely fall apart. They treat the AI like some kind of mind reader, just expecting it to magically understand the brilliant concept that's in their head without being told. But look, AI just doesn't work that way. It's not a person. It's an unbelievably powerful tool that runs on the instructions you give it. So it's simple. If you provide vague, lazy instructions, you are always going to get vague, lifeless, and, well, frankly, disappointing results. And this all brings us to the one golden rule for interacting with any AI: garbage in, garbage out. It is the absolute truth. If you want a high-end, bespoke application, you have to provide high-end, specific instructions. The quality of your output is directly one-to-one tied to the quality of your input. So how do we actually do that? Well, we have to shift our entire mindset. We're moving away from just filling in the blanks on some generic template. Instead, you're going to craft a strategic mission briefing for the AI, a detailed command to build a specific living system. And this mission briefing, it's built on 4 core pillars. Now, these aren't just suggestions, okay? These are the essential components that turn a simple prompt into an incredibly powerful and effective command. Let's break them down, one by one. First up, you set the intelligence. Think of this like giving your AI a job title. You are not just asking some bot to type code for you. You are hiring an expert. You instruct it to act as a senior full-stack architect. And why that role? Because an architect doesn't just build walls. They design a whole cohesive system where beautiful design and rock-solid logic work together in perfect harmony. So now that your AI has its role, it's time for pillar 2, giving it the blueprint. This is where you translate that data model you built on paper. You're gonna feed the AI your invisible skeleton. And don't just ask for a habit tracker. No, you tell it exactly what your nouns are, the specific data it needs to store, and your verbs, the custom rules for how that data changes and evolves over time. Next up, pillar 3, we define the feedback loop. This is what really brings our app to life. Remember, our Alive UI is not just some pretty decoration, it is a core function. So you have to describe the subtle bleed as a functional requirement. You explicitly tell the AI that every single user action has to trigger a tangible visual reward that actually reflects their effort. And finally, pillar 4, we program the guardrails. This is where you put on your what-if hat, and you gotta think like a saboteur. You have to anticipate problems and define the edge cases. You tell the AI how to handle errors, and, this is crucial, how to implement persistence, that permanent notebook that makes sure all the user's progress survives a page refresh. Okay, with those 4 pillars, you can craft an absolutely killer prompt. But I have to give you a pretty crucial dose of reality here. Your prompt, no matter how perfect it is only the very, very beginning of the job. See, the AI prompt is only the first 10% of the work. It gives you the raw material, that initial scaffolding. As a builder, your most valuable work lies in that other 90%. And that 90%, it's all about refining, editing, and adding your own unique human fingerprint. It's about taking that AI output and molding it, shaping it, until it perfectly matches your vision. The AI is a tool for the manufacturer. It is not a replacement for your craftsmanship. So let's just bring this all together. When you think this way, you stop being a passive coder who's just guessing at solutions. You become an active commander, an AI manufacturer who forges their own unique value into everything they create. So your mission is to use these 4 pillars to write a command that is completely unique to the blueprint you designed on paper. No templates, no copying, just your vision translated into a clear command. And in our final explainer, we are going to reveal the finished breathing app that comes from this whole process.
So I'll leave you with this question. Based on everything we've just walked through, what is one specific guardrail, one unique edge case or rule that you are going to add to your prompt to make your app truly your own? Think about that, and I will see you for the grand reveal.